Xin chào, ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. My name is Sin. Today I will show you how to grill the tofu. So if you try it with tofu soup or fried tofu, today we will grill the tofu. So first, we will need some tofu, chili powder. This one I have like garlic sauce and parsley. We need some olive oil, onions, broccoli, and I have some green bean, but if you like mushroom we can grill together. So this green bean from my garden. We'll cut like this much thick so we can grill. Only me eats today, so I just made 3, maybe 4. I like tofu. So then here I have olive oil. So I give olive oil, I rub over the tofu. Now we can put some Cajun on top of the tofu. You just like this, cover the tofu. This one mild spicy, so be careful. If you don't like Cajun seasoning, you can use any kind of seasoning you love, or just sauce and pepper for taste. This one a chili powder, so just spray over it. And now this one is sauce, garlic and parsley. Just put over. And now you can turn around to do another side. Olive oil, another side. Brush on top of tofu. If you have the grill outside, you can grill outside. So you put the seasoning on top, cover the tofu. And then the chili powder. Just some, not too much. So now let me see. This one we need to rest some oil. Let me see. If you want, you can check that if you brought some water and you can heat. That's good. Hot enough. Also, I have this one. Not yet, only 286. Just wait for 355. This one go home. Now we wait. Now we cut some green beans. Last year I have a lot of green beans. I don't know what's wrong with this year. I think because the temperature is so hot outside. Hope you all have an amazing summer. I know August come back. August already here. So this green bean, let me get some broccoli. So now you can use olive oil to put on top of green beans and broccoli. And we can use some garlic sauce and some vegetables on top. I could put a little bit, so we can eat with soy sauce or some sauce, like ginger, sesame sauce. I just sprinkle some. Usually I microwave the bean and the broccoli first. Today I try this way. Maybe make too much. I have to grill the onion on a pan. Yeah, I have to grill the onion on a pan. Not big enough. So now we can turn the tofu. Let me see. Tofu. Smell really good. Let's see. The vegetable you can turn. So good. Okay, I can get some oil for the tofu. Almost there. We done. Let me take it out. Today I will eat the tofu with soy sauce and honey sriracha. This smells amazing. We make it! See, let me move this one out of the heat. Ta-da! How it look? So check out this one. You will like tofu more. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.